This guide walks you through creating email templates in the CRM to standardize communication and save time. Navigate to dspeedup.in. Click on System. Go to the sidebar menu and click on the email template. Click on Add Email Template. Fill in the following fields. Template name, a unique name for the template. Next, active field. Set to active to make it available for use. Subject. Enter the email subject line. Type. Select the email type. Click on Type 1. Click on Save to proceed. Once saved, the template appears in the email template list.